In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the square root symbol in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a math presentation or just need this symbol, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, open Google Slides and make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, navigate to the Google Slides homepage and log in with your credentials. Once signed in, go to the homepage where all your presentations are organized. You can either start a blank presentation or select a template if you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank presentation. With your presentation open, focus on the toolbar at the top. Click on Insert, which allows you to add various types of content to your slides. From the drop-down menu, select Special Characters. This opens a dialog box where you can find common and uncommon symbols for your slides, especially useful for math and other specialized symbols. In the Special Characters dialog, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type square root into the search bar. Google Slides will filter through its library and show the square root symbol. Once you see it, simply click on the symbol and it will be inserted at the position of your cursor on the slide. You can resize the square root symbol just like any other text by clicking on it and dragging the corners to make it larger or smaller. Additionally, you can change its color using the text color option in the toolbar to make it match your presentation theme. If you need to move the symbol, click and drag it to the desired position on the slide. You can also copy and paste it to other slides if you need the same symbol in multiple places. For equations that require more complex formatting, you can combine the square root symbol with numbers, letters, or other mathematical symbols. Google Slides allows you to align the symbol properly with your text by adjusting the font size and line spacing. Using this feature, you can make your slides look clean, professional, and easy to understand. And that's it. You've successfully added a square root symbol to your Google Slides presentation. This method works for all types of special characters, so you can explore and add other symbols as needed. By following these simple steps, you can make your math presentations more expressive and professional. Regularly using these symbols will also make your slides more educational and visually appealing, helping your audience grasp complex concepts quickly and easily. Happy presenting!